Successful versus failing brands. Victoria's Secret was founded by businessman Roy Raymond in 1977 because he wanted to create a space where men would feel more comfortable buying lingerie for their wives and girlfriends. He named it after the Victorian era and wanted to evoke the refinement and elegance of lingerie during this period. They created PR events such as the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show, which brought in press, celebrities, and models. In 1982, Victoria's Secret had a change of ownership. Les Wexner took over Victoria's Secret and added it to his L Brands catalog, formerly named Limited Brands. Les Wexner owned a large part of L Brands, which included Bath & Body Works, Express, The Limited, and Abercrombie & Fitch. He wanted to change the direction and focus more on women than men and wanted to bring the European lingerie market to America. Sharon Jester Turney then became CEO and helped Victoria's Secret thrive and changed the image from Playboy style to Vogue. Turney abruptly stepped down in 2016 and Wexner became CEO, and this is where the brand started to go downhill. Wexner then killed the catalog, swimwear, and apparel to focus solely on lingerie. The customers complained that the quality and product had dropped, therefore the sales had slipped. They never changed the Victoria's Secret angel image, while other brands were becoming more body positive and inclusive. Victoria's Secret was considered outdated and tone-deaf in these changing times. They canceled the 2019 fashion show, which effectively killed the brand and any PR. In February 2020, Les Wexner gave up control of the brand after struggling to fix it. After that, even the private company that bought the stake from L Brands ended up backing out of buying. Here we have the successful brand Missguided. It was founded in 2009 and focuses on women's casual and leisure wear. It targets young women ages 16 to 35, and they were created to make a line of clothes that were affordable, accessible, and had range from other online competitors as they were solely e-commerce. Millennials now have much more buying power, which means that online boutiques and stores are more popular. They focus on trends, consumer engagement, and socially conscious marketing. Due to the recession in 2008, they saw media and online growth becoming more popular. They have a large social media following because of brand loyalty by engaging customers online and influencer marketing. They launched a collection with Madison Beer, who is a popular Instagram influencer, musician, and model associated with Justin Bieber. The collection went viral on social media, and the brand's online engagement skyrocketed more than 4 times its normal level. She has 11 million Instagram followers, which help to accelerate their brand. They also engage with their customers and listen to the customer wants and needs. For example, in January 2018, a young woman tweeted that she wished online fashion brands would include jeans and a nice top section on their sites. Missguided quickly replied to this tweet and heard their suggestion and created said section on their website just a few weeks later. This created brand loyalty and engagement. Then, the story about the tweet went viral and gave Missguided even more engagement. Missguided is socially aware and inclusive. They created a campaign on social media about body positivity, featuring photos of real women showing off their natural bodies completely unretouched. This created positive feedback from customers and engagement drive. These campaigns then sparked online publications such as Teen Vogue and Refinery29 to write articles about the brand. They are all inclusive, transparent, and true to their audience. The reason that Missguided is successful is due to their inclusive initiatives, trending styles, and customer care and acknowledgement. They have a high sense of customer service and online marketing. Victoria's Secret, on the other hand, is essentially the epitome of what a man wants a woman to dress like and wear, while Missguided's image is about women dressing themselves to feel their best in their clothes. They have low online marketing and little to no customer engagement, and virtually no influencer status other than the models that they used in the 1990s and 2000s. The loss of the fashion show and catalog equal loss of engagement. Both companies are owned and started by men, yet Missguided actually acknowledges the woman that they are marketing to and treats their customer base like people. Victoria's Secret needs to implement better social media skills and brand advocacy. They must research their market more, as the market they used to appeal to is now older and has less buying power. They need to focus more on social media and paid advertisement and Instagram stories. They also need to include better deals or discounts on these social media websites. They need to change their image to be more inclusive and potentially cut ties with L Brands and gain a better understanding of the social climate of today's world. Additionally, by focusing solely on lingerie again, they are cutting off the age demographic and making it harder for younger women to go into the store. If a young woman is looking for a more comfortable bra or leisure and athletic wear, then they are going to feel hesitant about going into the dark and quote-unquote sexy atmosphere of Victoria's Secret. Government regulation in fashion can be potentially harmful. Fast fashion can affect the environment, and environmental harm is a big fault in the e-commerce stores and can affect how they run. Though it is better for the environment, it may not be better for Missguided and can harm sales by increasing prices due to outsourcing manufacturing. Marketing also comes in the form of packaging, and government regulation could force them to change packaging due to environmental risks of waste. For example, Victoria's Secret uses packaging as marketing a lot and are big on unifying their image and brand through pink bags, pink wrapping paper, and large boxes for small garments.